We are now 2 months into a new court in Buffalo designed specifically for those with an opiate addiction. It's the first of its kind anywhere in the country.
And today, Channel 2's Michael Wooten sat down with Erie County's district attorney, who calls this court a big success so far.
2 months in, how do you assess where we are?
I guess the best way to assess it, Michael, is the fact that no one's died.
And that, DA John Flynn says, is an amazing statistic. Before Buffalo's one-of-a-kind opiate intervention court, 1 to 2 people a week going through the criminal court process would overdose. But since May 1st, 80 people have been part of this new program, and not a single one has OD'd.
That right there, to me, is a great success of this program in the past 2 months.
The court is available to those arrested by Buffalo police. Before arraignment at the city lockup, there's a screening process to find those eligible. Only non-violent offenders with an opiate drug addiction get into this court.
These people are people who don't want to commit crimes. They have an illness and they're looking for help, and we are here to provide them the help they need.
That's not to say it's easy. Suspects must detox, go through in- or outpatient treatment, be home by 8 each night, and submit to drug tests.
I imagine that's by design.
Absolutely by design. It's by design because they have to show us that they're serious about getting help.
The final step in that process is meeting face-to-face every day for at least a month with Judge Craig Hanna. He presides over the program. He hasn't taken off a single day of work, so he can show the same dedication he expects from those in his court.
We want them to be here next year so they can live with their families.
And if they complete the program,
that tells me that they're serious about getting help. They don't want to become criminals. They want to get the help they need, and therefore I'm going to look at that favorably on deciding what to do with their charges.
And that could mean that they escape any jail time and instead just get that treatment that they need. Another success of this program is that they've already had 80 people get into it. The goal for the entire first year was only 200, so they are far exceeding expectations there. Now, what about expanding this beyond just the city of Buffalo into the suburbs, maybe even beyond Western New York? The DA weighs in on that, new tonight at 6. Michael Wooten, Channel 2 News.